Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you guys how to make videos like Khan Academy. So Khan Academy uses a software called SmoothDraw for their videos, and this is a free download link that I found online, and it's what I use to download the software. So to download it, you just hit the download button down here, and then it walks you through the steps, which are really simple to get it installed on your computer. So I already have it installed and I'm going to open it up right now. Okay, so this is the application and this is what it should look like after you open it up. The first thing you want to do is to zoom in or to change the canvas size. So I'm going to show you how to do both of those. So to change the canvas size, you're going to go to canvas and resize and then make that bigger. And then you're going to have to move around to find the canvas, or if I reset that to its original size, it looks something like that. What I could do instead is I could just go to the zoom section here, and here I've got my blank canvas. However, you may have noticed that for Khan Academy their backgrounds are always black. You can do this by going to open and just selecting a black image. So I'm going to zoom in, and here you can select the pen you want, then you change the size and you can start writing. Also, don't forget to change the color, which is down here. So I'm going to choose blue. I'm writing on my computer, which makes it difficult. Khan Academy uses this tablet that they bought. I mean, technically you can do it on whatever you want, but that tablet that they have does make it a lot easier. But it still works on your computer. I'm just not that great at it. So this is something I've written right now. If you want to write up a lot of text and it's too difficult to write out, you could use the text feature and just type that stuff up just as easily. So I'm going to move that a bit. Oops, okay, select it, go to move it. That did take out a chunk of black though, since it's a black image on top of a white canvas. So you could just go back to your brush and select black, and then let's color that in. Maybe I'll decrease the brush size a bit. Yep, looks fine. So that's essentially how Khan Academy makes their videos. So if you're interested in making them, you could use a software like this or look for something maybe a bit more advanced. But this is a great way to make videos like them that's free. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.